Hello, hi. Today we are dealing with a new grammar lesson. Today we are talking about tenses, especially present tenses, present simple and present progressive. First of all, we should know that the word tense means time. So when we study any tense, we should pay attention to the time of the action of this tense or that tense represents. Let's have a look today to what we are doing. Yes, example, yes. Here it's present tenses. Here we will start with present simple. We all in this age know about present simple. The form, the negative, the question. But today we want to focus on this idea. What time does this dance represent? We will see some examples, and from the example, we will understand lots of things. Let's see. First of all, example number one. He works in a bank. He always works in a bank. He goes to work every day. This is repeated. It's his job. Like when I say, he speaks Japanese. It's his language. It's a fact. He always speaks Japanese. So it is a permanent state or repeated action or daily routine. Like when I say, another example, he takes the train to work every day. It's a daily routine. He does the same action daily or repeatedly. Another example, the sun sets in the west. It's a fact. So most natural phenomena or the general truth, like the sun sets in the west, it rises in the morning, the earth spins around the sun, water boils at 100 degrees. All these are scientific facts. They are unchangeable. They are stable. So they are repeated. So they are always in present simple. Now, example, the plane from London arrives at 8:30. Okay? Arrives at 8:30. So it's repeated. It's a schedule. It's a schedule. So this happens every day. Okay? Okay. So from this we find the words. So word or words stand for S. Okay? Take or takes. Set or sets. Arrive or arrives. For what? For repeated actions, for daily routine, permanent states, natural phenomena, facts, timetable, all the category of actions that are repeated or stable in life. Okay? This is the time distance, and this is the most important point feet. Okay, let's tackle the full distance. That's why we find, first of all, the time expressions with the keywords are usually, sometimes, always, often, every day, every week, in the morning, at night, on Mondays, at the weekends, once a week, twice a year, three times a day, etc. All the words that express repetition, like generally, habitually, okay, like never, rarely, seldom, hardly, which are almost negative forms, by the way. Okay, so if I want to use this tense, how can I form the verb? It's simply verb infinitive, or you call it stem verb. The stem verb, like the infinitive, or verb plus S-E-S or R-E-S. Of course, verbs in ES like go, goes, ends in on, so ES, fix, fixes, X, so ES. You can say pass or pass, S or double S, so passes. You can say wash, washes, watch, watches. Okay? If you want to make negative, simply it's a don't or doesn't. If it was work, it would be don't work. If it was works, it would be doesn't work. But note this, if you have always turned it into negative with no more change. In question you ask do and does the same category. How often do you go to school? How often does Sally go to school? Okay? Okay. So here you'll have a note here like this. He often watches TV in the evening. So he doesn't often watch TV in the evening. He always arrives early. He never arrives early. Then let's move to another present tense. Another present tense. This is called present progressive. So now we understand that if I want to suppress repetition, I say play, plays, don't play, doesn't play, or never play or plays. In question, do play, does play. To suppress facts, routine, uh, stable states. Okay. Here we are dealing with another tense. From the examples, we will understand. I am playing. The child is playing. The children are playing. All of these, when, what time? It's now. And in negative, not playing, is not playing, are not playing. In question, am I playing? Is the child playing? Are the children playing? Okay? Let's have some examples. Be quiet. I am doing my homework. Be quiet. I am doing my homework. Here you will find when I say be quiet. So be quiet It's now. Okay, so action happening now. Another one. She is staying with her grandparents this week. For example, she lives in London. This is permanent state. She always lives there, but only this week. It's a temporary state. Only this week. She is staying. Do you know the difference now? So you will have present progressive after these words. Like, look, listen, shh, be quiet, oh no, oh dear, my God, my goodness. Silence, okay? Like when I say, listen, listen, listen to something happening. When now, listen, someone is knocking on the door. Knocking when it's now, okay? All these examples. Here we have a certain idea. Oh, we said that always is used for repeated action. He always goes to school, he always plays tennis, he always smiles, okay? But only in one case, always is used with present progressive. Let's see this example. You are always borrowing my things without asking. This is annoying to me. This is upsetting me. This is making me angry. So we can use always in present progressive to express constant or continuous annoying action. When you are complaining about something, saying something you don't like, okay? Last note. We said that present progressive is used for now, but actually it can be used for future too, like will. We are leaving for England tomorrow. So what is the difference? Like we shall leave for England. We are going to leave for England, and we are leaving. So what is the difference? We are leaving when it is with tomorrow future. Express actions in the future that are very well prepared, well arranged. Like I have packed my luggage, I have put a room in a hotel, so it's well done, well prepared. So don't say in this case, don't say we will leave, we are going to leave. Let's say we are leaving. Okay, that's why you will. So anyhow, the present progressive is used to express what actions on the spot at the same time of speaking. That's why you will find the keywords like now, at the moment, at present, right now, nowadays, for the time being, these days, this month, or this week, still, maybe today, okay? My look, listen, be careful, be quiet, oh my God, oh no, push, be quiet, silence. Because all these words give the hint that the action is happening at the time of speak. Okay, let's see a very simple exercise. The canary sings in the morning. Okay, this is present simple. So if it was listen, so it would be what? Listen, the canary sing. I usually do my own, usually so do present simple. It was now, I am doing my home. Okay, leave me alone, please. I try to concentrate. When I tell somebody, leave me alone, one now. So I am trying to concentrate. Just one last note. We have some verbs that are called static. Like these verbs are concerned with your feelings or with your mental state. Like love, like, hate, dislike, okay? Uh, Prepare, remember, forget, know, realize, recognize, understand, or other states like way, like cause, like own, have, which means own, like possess, okay? Because these are not action verbs. So when you have these verbs, never use them in continuous form or progressive form. So if it was present, use it in present simple, okay? This was a brief note about these tenses, present simple and present progressive. I wish you all the best of luck and see you soon.